Let's face it, nothing is going to happen unless we practice. We need to know what to practice, when to practice, and how to practice. But the first key to a healthy practice plan is to decide where we're going to practice. We need to pick one place, and that place needs to have all of our practice material, our guitar, our schedule, everything all in one place ready to go. So the first thing we need to do is pick one place. Next, we need to set our schedule. We need to decide when we are going to practice in that one place throughout the week. So we've got to write it down. We've got to keep it in front of us in our practice place so that we know ahead of time when we are going to be practicing on each given day. For beginners, I recommend a total of 1 to 3 hours spread out over 2 to 4 days a week. So that's the second thing we do. We've got to write our schedule. Trust me, this is half the battle. If we pick one place and decide when we're going to practice in that place, the rest of it will most likely take care of itself. We just need to show up. The last thing we need is to know what to practice. And that's where lessons come in. Guitar lessons are so important because they keep us focused, they keep us moving forward and building on everything that we're learning week after week. Without guided lessons, we're just going to be floating around. We'll get tired of practicing because we're not sure what to learn next, and you just don't end up playing guitar. So again, nothing is going to happen unless we practice, and I can help you.